Here are 3 amazing facts about the Hubble Space Telescope servicing Mission 4. 1. Final spacewalks to Hubble. The HST-SM-4 mission marked the last time astronauts physically visited the Hubble Space Telescope. Over the course of 5 spacewalks, astronauts replaced critical parts and upgraded instruments, ensuring that Hubble could continue making groundbreaking discoveries. It was the final human touch on the telescope before it was retired from space missions. 2. Hubble's new instruments. One of the most significant outcomes of SM-4 was the installation of the Cosmic Origins Spectrograph (COS) and the new Wide Field Camera 3 (WFC3). These instruments vastly improved Hubble's ability to study distant galaxies, black holes, and the early universe, enabling it to capture higher resolution images and new data that would reshape our understanding of space. 3. Hubble's lifespan extended by 5 years. The SM-4 mission extended Hubble's operational life by at least 5 years. This was achieved through the installation of new batteries, gyroscopes, and other components that allowed Hubble to maintain its precise pointing accuracy and continue its mission. Without this servicing, Hubble might have been forced to shut down much earlier, depriving the world of its incredible scientific contributions.